In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate a WordPress page without using any plugins. If you've ever found yourself wanting to replicate a page on your WordPress site quickly, you're in for a treat. Let's jump into it. First, you'll need to log in to your WordPress dashboard. Open up your preferred web browser and head over to your WordPress website. Once there, you'll see an option to log in, typically located in the top right-hand corner of the screen. If you have the opportunity, you can simplify this process by using your Google account for a faster login. Once you're successfully logged in, the next step is to navigate to the Pages section. On the left-hand side of your dashboard, you'll find a menu. Look for the option labeled Pages and give it a click. This will bring up a list of all the pages currently on your website, neatly categorized for easy access. Now that you can see your list of pages, go ahead and select the one you want to duplicate. It's important to take a moment to review your options carefully to ensure you're choosing the correct page, because we want to make sure the right content gets duplicated. Once you've made your selection, search for the duplicate option connected to that page. Clicking this option will create an exact copy of the page, mirroring its layout and content perfectly. This saves you heaps of time since you won't need to start from scratch. With your new duplicate page ready, you'll likely want to customize it. Here's where you can get creative. Using the WordPress editor, which is user-friendly and intuitive, feel free to add new elements, blocks, or whatever else you need to personalize the copied page. Tailor it to suit your specific requirements. This could be anything from adjusting the text and images to tweaking the layout slightly to match your current project needs. After you've perfected your duplicated page and are satisfied with all the adjustments, it's time to make it live. Simply find and click the Publish button. This not only saves all your changes, but also makes the new page accessible to anyone visiting your website. Once you've successfully published the page, it's a good idea to head back to the main dashboard. You can do this by clicking the WordPress icon located in the top left corner of your screen. This will take you back to the starting point in your dashboard area. Finally, you need to verify that the duplication was successful. To do this, navigate back to the Pages section where you initially selected your page. Check to ensure that your newly duplicated page appears in the list. Seeing it there confirms that you've done everything correctly. And there you have it. You've learned how to duplicate a WordPress page without relying on any plugins, a handy skill that can simplify your content management tasks. Thanks for following along, and until next time, keep creating.